Hello guys! If you want to learn how to create a script for YouTube videos using AI, this video is for you. To do this, we will use ChatGPT, which is the most known AI at the moment. Making videos for YouTube is way easier now thanks to AI. I will also upload more videos about content creation with AI, so make sure to subscribe. Firstly, we need to go into ChatGPT and log in with your account. You can create one or sign in with your Google account if you don't have one. Now that we are here, I will ask ChatGPT to generate some ideas about YouTube videos. This gave me a list of 5 niches for YouTube videos, but I want something more specific, so I will ask the AI to generate specific titles for the videos. Perfect. In my case, I want to create a script for the video about smartphone tricks, so I will just ask for it, and the AI will start generating a very detailed script in just a few seconds. You can see how the AI takes in count everything, including the opening, the transitions, the content of the video. I obviously recommend you to check it out and edit it so you add your own style and add something else if needed. I hope this tutorial was useful. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more content. Thanks for watching.